Good morning, everyone. It's I, Simpy, your EVS teacher. All of you are welcome to EVS class. Let's get started. The further discussion of today. We have completed all the topics of this chapter. Chapter 9. I share my world with them. Animals around us. We learnt about the movement in animals. Food for birds, feathers of birds, bird sounds, about insects, about endangered animals. We completed hard words of this chapter, exercise, question answers of this chapter. Now, you have to fill the knowledge chart of this chapter. All of you know how to fill the knowledge chart? You have to fill this one. Class, knowledge chart, lesson number. I know that. Whatever you know related to this chapter, I want to know about. I learned that. Whatever you have learned from this chapter, you have to fill this one. Today, I am going to conduct some activities for you. First activity is question activity. All of you are ready for this activity? Be ready, bring your notebooks. In this activity, I'll give you 5 words and you have to ask questions related to those words. You have to write questions related to those words. So let's start. First word is, write down first word. Pause. Now write down any question related to this word. Any question. Like this way you can ask, what animals have paws? What are animal? Pause. You can ask, you can write question like this way. All of you write down questions. Then next word is hooves. All of you are writing. Then write down tails. Then write down birds. Then write down insects. All of you have done? Write down paws, hooves, tails, birds and insects. Last word is insects. I have also given you the link of this activity. In that link, you have to write down the questions related to these words. Whatever question comes in your mind, just write down. All of you know about this activity. So now open the link and enjoy this activity. Next activity is guess the sound. I am going to play 5 number of sounds and you have to identify the sounds and then you have to write about that. So let's start. Listen it properly. identify it? Now tell me, which bird of sound is it? Parrot or a sparrow? Write down. All of you have identified? Now listen this sound. Identify the sound. Which bird of sound is it? Now I am going to play the next sound. Identify this sound. Which bird of sound is it? And write down in your notebooks. Now I am going to play the next sound. Listen it. Which bird of sound is it? Now I am going to play the next sound. Listen this sound. Identify this one. All of you have identified. Have you written down in your notebooks? Link of this activity is also given in the description box. Choose the correct answers, open the link and enjoy this activity. Now it's time to wrap up the session. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a good one.